Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Subaru Ascent trunk. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. Locate the power liftgate button, usually near the driver's seat. If the trunk is open, gently close it manually until it latches. This prepares the system for a proper reset. We'll cover the steps to recalibrate the trunk's opening and closing positions. Now, to initiate the reset, press and hold the power liftgate button. You'll need to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Listen carefully for a series of beeps. These indicate the system is recalibrating. Once the beeping stops or changes its pattern, you can release the button. This action clears the previous memory settings for the trunk's operation. With the system reset, you can now set a new desired open position. Manually lift the trunk to the height you prefer. This is useful if you have a low garage ceiling. Once at the desired height, press and hold the exterior trunk close button for approximately 3 seconds. A confirmation beep will sound, indicating the new maximum open position is saved. Finally, it's time to test your newly reset trunk. Use both the interior power liftgate button and the exterior trunk button to confirm it operates smoothly. Ensure it opens to your newly set maximum height and closes completely. If the trunk doesn't function as expected, simply repeat the entire reset process from the beginning. This should resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.